channel. It's PicturePortia here, and we are doing another bag review. So, if you haven't seen it, I have a video on the Coach Pillow Tabby in red already on my video. I'm going to tag it up here, description box, comment section. This is the 26. Looking at both of them, because now I have the 18 in my arsenal, there is a significant difference, so I am going to compare the two. But today's main video is about this cutie. This cutie patootie. I have been wanting a pink bag for so long. And, you know, I had like a Shein, like, you know, you can get, you know, accessories from Shein, Fashion Nova, but I really wanted a quality pink bag. I wear a lot of pink, a lot of neutrals, and I just needed something that would just go with what I have in my closet. This is so cute. I just love how cute she is. This is not going to be a long video because, again, I've already made a video on the Coach Pillow Tabby, the material, how it feels, and all of that in another video, which I will tag. But, yeah, and there's not really much to say other than I love it. I love the color. I needed this pink. They had other shades of pink, like bubblegum, whatever, but I just needed, this is a true pink. I wanted a true pink bag, and Coach came through. I love the hardware. It's silver, you know, compared to the 26. The hardware in here is gold, which I love. I feel like it pops with the red. But yeah, I like that the hardware on my pink Coach Pillow Tabby is silver. Now, the cons is that it is, I mean, I've watched so many videos on the 18 on how small it is, but those videos couldn't prepare me on how small and teeny weeny me she is. Like, granted, it might be because I'm tall. I am 5'8.5". I say that in almost every video, and I will show how long it goes on me, but yeah, she is small. She's mini. This is not an everyday bag. No, I wouldn't even wear this every day. Granted, I have gone so far in my minimalism, you know, journey to where I don't really carry a lot of things anymore. So everything I need does fit in this bag, but like barely, okay? So let me show y'all. I open it up, or open her up rather. Cute, cute. This is the strap that it comes with. And they also, Coach also sells like chain straps now. Oh my gosh, so cute. I ain't there yet, you know. I just afforded what came with the bag. So all this plastic and stuff. Throw that away. But yeah, this is literally all that's inside. Just a compartment and a flap that's in between the compartment. Let me show y'all what fits. Phone is charging. My phone. Barely. My phone, my wallet, which is also from Coach. The wallet. Don't embarrass me. I need you to fit. AirPod. And my keys. Literally, I mean, my keys don't even really have to fit, but let's say I'm done driving, and literally, guys, this is all that can fit in here. Like, let me even show y'all what it's looking like. Like, filled to the brim. Filled to the brim. Okay, 4 things. That's it. That's it. Let's see. I gotta. Look how stuffed she is. Look. Filled to the brim, guys. And she's heavy, too, with filling all of that. She's not, you know, like the 26 where, well, maybe it's because I just got big arms. Maybe somebody with smaller arms could, like, pull off the, but it doesn't go with me. The 26, much more roomier. A lot more roomier. Again, I do have a review on that, so I'm not going to go into detail, but this is what the 26 looks on me when I hold it like this. And this is the 26. I just have to hold it like this, which, again, it doesn't bother me. This is not a bag I would wear every day. The 26 I would say it can easily be an everyday bag. Because I got it in red, I wouldn't wear it as an everyday bag. But if I had it in black or ivory, I can definitely see the red as an everyday bag. It's, You know, I have totes, so I don't need to wear this every day. But for those of you who don't like totes, who don't like big bags, I would say this is a happy medium. Like, this is a nice medium everyday bag, and I really enjoy it. I get compliments anytime I wear this bag out. But yeah, so yeah, my cute itty mini. That's all that can fit in her, guys. Sorry if it feels like I'm speeding up. I am kind of in a hurry, but I do want to show y'all how she looks on me. Putting the straps on. Okay, so again, for reference, I am 5'8½". Put the straps over like so. I'm gonna stand up, and it falls right at the hip. Right at the hip. Standing on my tippy toes so I can be in frame, but right at my hip is where she stands. Let me move my chair out the way, just so you can get an idea of how, if anybody else is as tall as me, what to expect. But yeah, this is how she looks. But yeah, I love this bag so much. Like, I'm so glad they came out with this perfect shade of pink. This is the perfect shade of pink. Like, ooh, I love the color so much. Pink is one of my favorite colors, if you can't tell. If you can't tell. I wish y'all could see my bathroom right now. It's literally pink. My last apartment, pink. But in comparison, because I know some people are like, should they buy the 18? Should they buy the 26? It really depends on what the vibe is, like what you're going for. Like I mentioned before, if you want something smaller than a tote, good for every day, bigger than a weekend mini, definitely the 26. If you just want something to be cute to pop out on, you know, pop out of the town on for the weekends, or even if it's during the day, just something that'll go with your outfit, something that'll give a pop of color, definitely the 18. Because I think the 18, they do have the black and the ivory, but they have more, I feel like they have a lot more color options versus compared to the 26, sorry. But if you just want a weekend mini, just need something that's gonna hold your essentials like your wallet and your phone and your keys, go with her. Something that you want more room, go with her. I don't have a favorite. I love them both. They both serve different purposes. The materials quality, the leathers quality, the hardware is quality. I do love the silver. I mean, I love gold too, but I am more of a silver girl. Silver just looks better on me. I'm wearing silver jewelry now. You can't see it because of long sleeve, but silver looks better on me, and I'm glad they went with silver for the pink. Gold would not have gone well with this. Silver could have still gone well with the red, but the gold, the detailing just goes really, really well with the red. But yeah, that's all I really have to say. I don't really have much. I said it was going to be a quick video. Yeah, I'm a Coach girl. Coach Wallet, Coach Bag, like, Coach should just sponsor me at this point. If you have any questions on my mini, my 18, feel free to ask and I will answer any questions or concerns you may have, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video, okay? Bye. Stay blessed.